Good day, I'm Sudikit Calderon, the CEO.
I'm Rika Samson, the sales manager.
I'm Risa Sambang, the accountant. Hi, we visited Wood Corner, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here's a photo of the large vendor we like. What's the cost? They cost 7,700 pesos each, but they are discounted to 5,500 pesos if we order a minimum of 10 guests. We can sell them at 12,100 pesos. Sounds good. I'll create the product in our catalog.
I will go now. We have the product named Large Desk. Let's look at the purchase and products. In order to create a product, we need to click the Create and type the Large Desk. Next, at the product type, change the consumable into storable product. Ordered quantities to delivered quantities on the sales price. Let's put the price amounted 12,100. For customer taxes will be automatically put as 12%, while in the cost amounted 7,700 pesos in product category. Click all the saleable, then in internal reference will be 001 and click the purchase. On other line type, Wood Corner to show and create the edit to show this information and fill up the following information. After that, let's put the logo now. Let's change the quantity into 1, price cost 7,700 pesos. Then click add the line to add 0, Wood Corner again to change the quantity and price and add picture of this table and click the save manually. I plan to purchase Large Desk. What are your monthly sales estimates?
Between 9 and 10.
Okay, to start with, I'll purchase 10 desks.
So sure, go ahead.
Let's click the new in vendor. Let's add the Wood Corner. Click the order deadline and change the date into May 20, 2025. Next, add the product type, the Large Desk. Add 10 for quantity to automatically change the order information and click send by email. To compose email to send it to the customer, then confirm order to pre-purchase order and click the create bill.
Hello, I'm the driver. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open the loading truck?
Okay, go to the truck. I'll validate the receipt. Now, let's create a receipt. Click the validate to see the print labels and take a look at this information.
Hi, we received a bill from the vendor. I put it on your desk. Can you create check and validate it? No need to pay it right now.
Let's control the bill. Click the bill to show this information and select the payment terms and click the end of the following month to create a bill. Next, bill date as May 20, 2025 to confirm, then click the register payment. Change the journal to bank and click the upload in the vendor bills and choose upload your own bill and email this vendor. Then continue to confirm and check your email.
Hi, Brandon from Air Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a code for 3 desks to brandon.game@outlook.com?
In order to create this sales product, let's create new in customer. Type Brandon, click the order lines and add the product and type Large Desk. Next, send by email and put customer's email and save and close. Then, you will see like what we have done earlier and send it to your customer or to Brandon.
I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate delivery orders that are ready to be shipped this morning? Make sure that it's from the Air Interior.
Okay, I'll check this right away. Thank you. You can see here, here's the delivery order and the order details of Brandon. After that, click to validate.
Can you validate which sales order we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I'm on it. Click to invoice to see the order invoice to show the number, order date, customer's name, and salesperson. After that, you will see the create invoice to click the regular invoice to create draft invoice, then confirm. And click the preview to show your logo with your invoice. After those, click send and print. Then save Then, type your email as well as your customer's email and click send and print again. Oh, there's payment notification. Let's register this payment in the invoice. Here, click the customer to click invoices. So we will see Brandon's record to payment. Click the register payment to see the payment method or the information about customer's payment. Lastly, click the create payment. Can you tell me about the net profit of this year? I need it for the board meeting tomorrow. Okay, I will check it. Let's go to analyze profit from reporting, then click the profit and loss to show the result of income statement. Now, let's download the point of sale. Roger, I'd like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me the list of accessories that we can easily sell on the site?
No problem. Here's the document with all the products, accessories, information. I will email you the link.
First, let's click Configuration to select the point of sale. Configuration again to click the settings. Scroll down to see the bills and receipts and check the box to use the QR code on ticket. Click the save. Next, download the PDF of product, then upload. Click the point of sales to select products and click the actions to import the records and upload the file to select POS product. Lastly, select import.
I love this. I will buy 3 right away.
Good. With today's special offer, when you buy 2 identical items, you get 20% discount.
Great. I pay in cash. Here is a $600.
In point of sale, click New Session and click Open Session. Click the LED lamp and you will get 20% discount. Select the payment and click the number 600 for the amount to validate. Then OK. Now, customer account to show the cash and change of the customer. Then validate and print the receipt.
Hi, I got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
We're closing the shop. I'll close my POS session and be there in a minute. In close session, click this button at the side to select the close session, then OK. How do you control the cash? There's a way in Odoo POS. I'll configure the option, but then I'll send some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new session. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you $5 or $15.
In point of sale, click the session, then select the opening cash button to change the amount needed. Then confirm and click open session.
Hi, I'll take this whiteboard. Is it possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Lorraine Douglas from 3202 H3 Asheville, MZ 28801. My phone number is 443-6489155. I'll pay in cash. Here is $100,000.
Click the customer to create personal information, then save. Next, click the order. Whiteboard, then click the payment to process and print the receipt.
Hi, I called yesterday and bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
When someone wants to return their items, let's do this. Click the price amounted to 224 pesos. With one quantity, then click the payment to validate to print the receipt.
And
3. Don't forget to set closing balance. You'll need to add all coins and bills you have in the register drawer.
Yes, I will.
To control cash, click this button at the side to select the close session and click the dollar sign to change the amount worth 438 pesos, then click confirm and close session.
Hey, can you tell me which product are the best sellers?
I'll check the orders report. Now, let's analyze the POS table in point of sale. Click the reporting to select the order, then click the measures to show the product quantity. To create a pie chart, then group to show the product and then click. We have the sell services. We need to download the project and the timesheets. How to create the project office. To structure our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
They start with an online meeting to check their office and gather information. Then I prepared pre-design proposal based on their feedback. I modeled a floor plan, then a sales rep does their quotation with the new products.
Okay, thanks. I'll create the stages and set an email address, then sign up on the project to start creation of tasks. Click the project and select New, then change the name into Office Design, then click Create the project. And here, type the meeting and add. And type Design, then add. Type the floor plan, then the quotation, then the type, Done, and add. Lastly, click the project to save.
I Google asked us to design a new office in the area.
Send an email to design@yourdomain.audio.com with subject Google and Y to create a task for audio. To create task, send an email to the furniture company. On 3. We should have a task for both Google and Y, the project office design. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I'll start the task from February. I will schedule a meeting with customer next week. Once the meeting is done, I will present proposal. Now let's perform the job. Click Office Design, check this icon, and click the schedule activity. And in activity, type change into meeting and type it summary. Visit Google's Office and click Open Calendar to see it. In a meeting, click the circle button to select in progress.
I think it is a mistake to offer our office design services for you. Because I think customer will better understand the value of funding.
You're right. We can sell this service at $50 per hour. I create a product office design service that you can use in your quotation. I'll configure it to generate tasks for every sales order. Okay. In Configure Product, click Sales and click Products. Select New, then change the name to Office Design Service. From the product name, then unselect that to be purchased, while in Product, change it into Service and Invoicing Policy. Change it to based on timesheets. Also, to create an order, change it to task and in project type, office assigned, then save.
I just confirmed our first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours. The customer loved it and confirmed the order.
Great. Check that task has been created on automatically for online.
Okay.
Select sale and select order, then click quotation, then select new. And in customer, type the Jackson Group and click add the product to type office design service and change the quantity to 20. Then click confirm, click the task 1 to see the information. Audrey, don't forget to record your timesheets on task as we charge customer based on our spend.
Hold on, I'm on the phone with the Jackson. Okay, I've just started to work on the design of the Jackson. I love the time spent.
Thanks. Use timesheet app. That's easy.
Timesheet, click timesheet and start to change. Change the internal to office design and click pass to select the Jackson Group. And to describe your activity time, and first call to define your needs, then click stop. Then the information will appear under it.
Can you check if we still have sales order invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated a draft invoices. You can review them.
Okay, thank you.
In Invoice Customer, first click Sale, then click Invoice to select Order. To invoice, click Create Invoice and make sure if it is a regular invoice and create draft invoice. Then confirm it and check the information if everything is correct before sending and printing. Next topic is all about manufacturing. Let's download or install manufacturing and quality.
Hi, we just finished the plan to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I'll create 4 products in the system as well as the bill of materials according to your plans. In manufacturing, to define the bill of materials, we need to click manufacturing and select the product. Next, click the new to change the product name to the table and change the sale price. Click the inventory in routes and select manufacturer and unselect by, and always check the information if it is correct. Next, click the new and change the product to the table. Click add new line and type tabletop and type table leg and type hold and then save. Hi, can you give me a quotation for 100 tabletops, for 100 table legs, and for 100 bolts?
Sure, here is our offer.
Good. I'll send you a purchase order by email.
Okay.
To purchase raw material, click Purchase to click New and change the vendor name to Only Woods Incorporation. Next, click Add the product. Type a tabletops, type table leg, and then change quantity into 400 and unit price to 12. Type bolt to change the quantity to 400 and unit price to 0.50. Then click Confirm. Order and click Send Purchase Order by email. Fill up the information for Only Woods Incorporation and check the information before sending it.
Hello, we just received the products from Only Woods Incorporation. They are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only delivered 80 tabletops. Should validate the receipt.
Yes, confirm the reception with the back order for 20 remaining products. They deliver the remaining products later. To receive products, click Inventory and click to Process and click this to see the information and click to Validate to see if the information. Next, we got all materials we need to start producing them. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom? In manufacturing 3 tables, click Operation to select manufacturing or new and change the product name to table and quantity to 3, then save click. Confirm and check information if it is correct.
Organize a manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly stations, and painting room. Can we put a table with instruction in each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll create the routing table production with 2 operation assembly and painting from the bill of materials.
Thanks. I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
Yes. In Routines and Work Center, click the products to select bills of materials. Click the table to click operations. Click and add the line to type assembly in operation and assembly station to work center. Then click save and new type painting and operation and type painting room in work center. Then save and close and save. Then click assembly in worksheet. Select PDF. Upload your file, then save. Charlene, our routing is set up. We can create manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders when plan operation become available on the table of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
To plan an order, we need to see Work Center Overview. To click Operation to show manufacturing orders, then click New a Product to select tables, then save manually. Click the operation again to show work orders, then click the assembly station, then click the work instruction, then click Product to click Open Shop Floor and select Assembly Station, then mark as done. Go back to the operation to see information and mark as done, then click the operation to go to work orders to see the information.
I've got 5 customers complaining about their tables. Looks like the table part separates from the leg after a few months.
It's probably related to the bolts. I will create a quality control to assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 mm.
Okay, thank you.
To add quality check, in Quality Overview, click Quality Control to show control points. Then click New to add the title and type, torque setting. And in Product, select Table and change the type to Measure. In Control per selection, while in Product categories, select All in Operation. Type of Manufacturing to show this. Then in Type Operation, select Manufacturing. Then in Reservation Method, select Manually. In Norm, type 13, then change NM. Into Tolerance, type 11 to 15. In Work Order Operation, select Assembly while Worksheet Page, type 3. And in Team, select Main Quality Team. Charlene, I added a control point on assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the work center control panel.
FYI, the torque setting measure should be between 11 and 15 mm. Check your quality test. Go to Work Center Overview to click Operation and show manufacturing orders. Then click New. In Product type, Table. In Bill of Materials, type Table, then save manually. Go to Operations again, then click Assembly Station. To show components, click Actions and mark as done. To show this, click Table, then click Work Orders to show this information.
Hi, to post my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table being manufactured, including the timing of the materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for theoretical costs if you want to update it.
Okay, thank you.
To control costs in Work Center Overview, click Products to show the bill of materials, then click the product, and to select the table to show it, then click Action to show the BOM Overview. In Sell Online, first, let's download e-commerce. After we install the website to our homepage, we are going to skip and start from scratch. Then, we can see a lot of themes here to pick on. We choose the furniture because it fits our company. After that, we make sure that our web page was published. I'm launching our new website. Any idea that we should put in our homepage?
I like websites with a cover on top, customized with an office image as the background. I would put some key numbers like a 500 customers, 35 employees, 120 design product and page shops. Then we can add 3 columns you customize with design and we manufacture it.
That sounds good. In our homepage, we are going to add some cover. You can adjust and font placement and color if you want. Then we are going to add our logo from the top. After that, we will change the background of the sales manager once the background to the office, and we have 3 options to choose, and the last one fits perfectly on our homepage. After that, we are going to add numbers under the cover. We're just going to edit it out based on the information given to us. Then after that, we will add 3 columns and edit it out because of the information given. Lastly, we will edit the contact information of the web page at very bottom, then we save it.
No. Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, I'll create the product page on the website with $120 price tag. So on our web page, click the new, then the product we are going to fill up, the product name and price, and then save. After that, we are going to add the picture of the office chair and then save.
There have no sales for our new office chairs online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
Our target keywords people are looking for on Google with promote tools. Okay, so from our website, we are going to site, then optimize SEO. We are going to fill up the title description and we're going to add some keywords and change the picture of the product. Then we have to save it.
Chairs are selling like crazy. Good job. But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variance feature and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors: gray, black, white, and purple, and 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. We can put a custom embroidery with their names on it.
First, we are going to sales, then configuration, and then settings. We are going to check the variant. After that, we are going to products, then click the office. Then we go to attributes and variants. We are going to add attributes like size and color. And also there's values. Then the size, we are going to click the select and the custom value. Then same goes thing with the color. Then we have to save. Then our e-commerce is ready. Can you test buying a product online?
Sure. We're going to the shop, then click the office chair. I'm going to choose size medium in color, white, and then add to cart. Then view our cart and check out. We're just going to fill up the information needed for shipping. Then we just need to confirm our orders. That's it. Last month, we did $350,000 in revenue through the website with an average cart size of $250. Can we upsell customers by proposing options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will set an option of the chair. This warranty has 2 variants, 3 or 5 years. In our website, we proceed to products. In new, we will type warranty as our product name. Then the product type was service, and then the sale price was 50 pesos. After that, we go to attributes and variants. We will add duration with the value of 3 years and 5 years, and then we save it. Then, we will go to products, then click the office. Here, click the sales and then add the warranty in the optional products, and then we save it. To check if it is working, we're going to our website and then shop. Click the office here and then add to cart. You will see the warranty at available options.
Of your new warranty service, it will be good to write a news article about it.
Okay, I'll set up a blog on our website and write the first post. Go to website and click view, then the blog post, we are just going to install it. After loading, just click the blog post, then write a blog and then the title you want. To save it after that you can start edit and write your blog, then we save it.
Thank you for watching.